I'm going to show you how to make breakfast waffles with all you need. These are super healthy, delicious, and my youngest absolute favourite, which makes me really happy because they're super nutritious. So let's get on with it. So we're going to start with 2 bananas. These are a great substitute for eggs when you put them into the recipe. So we've got 2 bananas going in there. We have 8 ounces of plant milk. I'm using coconut milk for this recipe. We have 1 cup of gluten-free flour. In it goes. There we go. And we're going to put 2 spoons of all you need. We're using nice teat spoons going in. There we go, 2 spoons. Next, we give it a whiz. Always make sure the lid is on securely. I've had a few accidents where it's not. Sometimes this lid doesn't want to go on properly. There we go, it's on now. Okay, we have one lovely batter. There we go. Now I'm just going to turn the waffle machine on. These machines get super hot, so we don't want to turn it on too soon. That's on. There we go. Great. We are going to pour this in. Let's move that so you guys can see what is going on. So we're going to pour this in. You don't want to overfill them because this will rise up. So I like to put a little bit in and then spread it out with a knife, making it nice and even, like so. There we go. Voila! We have 4 waffles in there. We're going to close this and leave this now for 15 minutes to cook. Let's see if these are ready. Oh, they look perfect. Amazing. Okay. Two for me, 2 for my son later. Chopped banana, mixed berries, and some maple syrup. Quick, easy, delicious, and super nutritious.